All right, happy Vlogmas, everyone. This is Rocky, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, this is where we normally talk about fashion, lifestyle right here in my city of Chicago, and just a little bit of beauty. I am going to be participating in Vlogmas this year, which means I am going to vlog every single day in December up until Christmas. And you get to see me and all of my wonderful adventures every single day. We're going to be talking a lot about beauty because I will be opening up an advent calendar, which is from The Body Shop. And every day there'll be something beauty related that we talk about. In addition to that, if there is something special happening that day or a special story I want to share, we'll also be doing that during the vlogs every single day. Some days the vlogs will just be the advent calendar that I'm sharing. Other days it'll have the stories that I'm talking about. So let's get right into it. All right, this is Vlogmas day 1. Let's find the one for today. So this is what makes this thing so fun to me, is like every day is an adventure. So let's figure out where number 1 is. I do see number 1. Let's get her out. All right, here is item number 1. Let's open her up. Let's see what we got. I am super excited. All right, so for today's item, we have a hand balm. It's a shea butter for dry skin, 96-hour nourishing moisture. So I am definitely going to be using this because I am a dry skin girly. So I'm definitely going to be using this one, and super excited about day number 1. That's what we opened up in the Vlogmas calendar. Let's move on to the vlog. Hello. All right, we got a quick little something for Vlogmas coming here. I thought I'd take you along, just a little bit of vlogging out in these streets. So I'm doing something a little special today. I'm going to get my teeth whitened. So I've gotten my teeth whitened before back in 2016, and I remember getting it done. I went on Groupon and got this, like, I forget, to little to nothing at a place called Smiling Bright for a 20-minute session. So I got my teeth whitened, and my mom said she saw absolutely no difference. So, but that was before I was like an avid tea drinker, and all I drink is black tea. So I'm pretty certain there's staining happening and it's not as bright as it once was. And I'm pretty certain we'll see a difference this time around. So what I'm doing is bringing you along so that you can see, tell me if there's a difference between, before and after. Back when I did it, the Groupon was for 20 minutes. And then when I was leaving, they're like, hey, do you want to get a, certificate for another session? We'll honor the price. And then you just come whenever. It never expires. Well, I'm not a that much in terms of like vanity and stuff like that. I don't get those types of things done very often. I get my hair done every 2 years, and it's been 3 years since I've got my hair done at this point. I get a manicure maybe, I could say maybe 3 times a year. If a pedi, maybe 3 times a year, because I just do it myself. Things like that. I haven't gotten a facial since, I can't even remember it, before the 2016 thing. So I don't do like those types of pampering services very often. So that all being said, when they said it didn't expire, I was like, there's a really good chance that I'll use it. When I thought to use it, pandemic hit. So there was a whole delay there, obviously, and then life happened. And so from 2016 until now is when I'm about to go get it. And now they don't have the 20-minute session anymore, only 30-minute and above. They're going to be honoring my gift certificate, but with a 30-minute session. So I'm pretty certain we're going to see a difference, a marked difference, now that I've been drinking tea, and the session is going to be 10 minutes longer. So I'd like you to tell me if you see a difference. Be right back. Okay, we have arrived at Smiling Bright. Weird thing is that there is not a single light on in this place, so maybe it's because I'm 15 minutes early. Maybe they open at the time my appointment is, but it is like completely dark in this place. It's kind of spooky. We'll go in, we'll see what happens. I might have to wait a bit, but I'll show you the results in a sec. All right, so before the big reveal here, I'm going to talk you through a little something. So I came in there to do my little Groupon thingy or whatever, and the guy was like, how long has it been since you've been here? Like 7 years. So he's like, you're gonna need longer than the 30 minutes. Without even looking at my teeth, he's like, you're gonna need longer. So I went for it because they were having a Black Friday special, And well, look at my nails, those look cute, don't they? Anyway, they were having a Black Friday special, and so he also added an addition. He told me to go for an hour, and then he would throw on an additional 20 minutes. So I did the Black Friday special. So I was in there for 80 minutes, and he does 2 hours every month. I think he said he does. I don't know how his teeth don't fall out. It just sounds like it's excessive. But the first 30, real comfortable, look crazy as heck with the mouth spreader and glasses and all of that stuff. But I was fine. And they break it up into 2 sessions. So you kind of, after that first session, you go and you brush your teeth really quick with a very soft brush and rinse and everything. And then start over for the other half of it. And second half was where the magic is supposed to happen. That's where it gets deeper and your teeth get brighter, whiter. And so that it felt really funny the second time around, kind of tingly on the gums and some of my teeth a little bit, but then it went away. So I was nervous. I was like, oh shit, maybe I didn't put enough of the vitamin E oil that they give you to start to protect your gums and lips. But I was like, maybe I didn't put enough, but it went away. And we'll see when I start to eat and drink later if I was right. So anyway, after 80 minutes and I'm super tired, here's the big reveal. Here's the big reveal. So hopefully I'm able to do a side-by-side and show. You tell me. I look tired though. I look tired as hell. But nonetheless, are the teeth brighter? I feel like they are. I can't see the difference. I can't see the side-by-side. I have to do it in a future look. But just looking here on this camera, I feel like I look like a superstar. So if you're in the Chicagoland area, I don't know if this is a national thing, but I would say go to Smiling Bright because the service here is always good. But even if you don't have a Smiling Bright, I would suggest it. It always kind of is nice to get a little brightener every now and then, I suppose. I've only ever done this twice before in my life. I feel like I did it. So 2016 was the last time, and then before that might have been 4 years or more. 4 to 6 years before that was the last time I did it. Before that, and then before that, I had never done it before. And you can always tell the difference. It's just like, but you just don't notice when you're deviating. It happens so gradually. You don't notice that you need it again. So they always recommend just schedule a routine one so that you just come and get a refresher. This time what was different is that because it was a Black Friday special, they also included this pen that has the solution in there, and they suggest that you use it every day. Just a little bead of it all over all of your teeth. Breathe in, get it dry, and then don't rinse. So then you kind of have a barrier or a layer of protection for at least the bad thing that you're about to do. Because my bad time is in the morning before I do my chai. That's my bad thing that I eat every day. And so I know that in the morning, that's going to probably save my teeth from yellowing as quickly because I'm going to be protecting it with this pen. So I'm super excited that I did it. Hope you enjoyed that. So that's all we have today for today's vlog. Make sure you come back tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog. But the only way you'll know if I posted something, if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Come back tomorrow. I'll have something special for you. And I'm also doing giveaways, so you don't want to miss that. Bye.